If you want to hot vein hand, this video is for you. The exercises are very easy and you can do them at home, without any sports equipment. The first exercise, place your thumb together, and then open and close your four fingers upwards. Do this exercise for 20 seconds. I will read all your comments and reply. Write me your comments and opinions. The second exercise, hold your other arm with one hand and with the help of the wrist, move your hand up and down. The exercise is very easy, just do it. Do this exercise for 20 seconds. You can help me a lot just by liking. Thank you for your like. The third exercise, bring your forearm close to your arm and then using your wrist, move your hand up and down like I did in the video. Watch the video carefully and you will learn. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. The fourth exercise, at first, slowly clasp your hands together, then move your forearms to the left and right. Just do this exercise for 30 seconds. Excellent. Let's go to the last stage, recovery. Keep your hands relaxed and just try to shake them gently. Recover for 30 seconds. Are you ready to see the result? Only in less than 3 minutes. If you are at home, do it to see the result. This channel is for your beauty. So subscribe to your channel. We are human with any race.